Greetings, students of the QA Online Academy. It's wonderful to have you back in the Matrix. Before we unlock today's powerful new module, I need to be absolutely certain you've mastered iteration. Did you practice your for loops from our last session until they became second nature? Excellent. If you're confident in your loops, you're ready for the most important building block in all of Python, functions. Let's begin. At its simplest, a function is a named block of code designed to perform a specific task. Think of it as a blueprint you write once and can use as many times as you like. They are the keys to keeping your code organized, readable, and, most importantly, reusable. Everything we do in professional development relies on mastering this logic. We define them using the def keyword. Once defined, the code inside just sits there patiently. It only springs into action when you call the function by its name. This simple act of separation is what makes your script scalable. Now, to make functions truly dynamic, we use arguments. These act like inputs for your mini program. By passing different data into the same function, you get different results without ever rewriting your logic. It's the most efficient way to handle variety. But what if you don't know how many inputs you'll have? Python gives us two incredible tools for ultimate flexibility. These special syntax elements allow your functions to accept any number of positional or keyword arguments, ensuring you can handle complex, unpredictable data sets with ease. Now, a word of caution: scope. Not every variable is visible everywhere. We have local scope inside functions and global scope outside. Understanding these boundaries prevents those frustrating naming bugs. For those looking for elegance, we have decorators. These allow you to wrap a function with extra behavior, like timing or security checks, without ever touching the original function's source code. Beyond standard functions, Python offers even more specialized patterns for anonymous tasks and complex logic. We use Lambda for quick, anonymous one-liners, and for problems that can be solved by smaller versions of themselves, we use recursion, where a function actually calls itself to reach the finish line. Finally, let's talk about managing your system's memory when working with massive amounts of data. Master your memory with generators. By using the yield keyword, these functions produce values one at a time on demand. It's the most efficient way to handle large data sets in Python. From basic definitions to memory-saving generators, you've now explored the entire landscape of Python functions. These patterns are the absolute foundation of everything you will build from this point forward. It's time to put your skills to the test. Open PyCharm on your machine. I want you to write a recursive function that calculates the sum of all numbers from 1 to n. You have 10 seconds to plan your logic. Go! Impressive! Ready to see if you cracked the code? Let's take a look at the recursive solution together. Here it is. We call the function with smaller values until we hit our base case of 1. Did your logic match this? Keep practicing and it will become second nature. That completes our masterclass on Python functions. Master these and you've conquered a major milestone. Join me in our next lesson where we'll master the Python range function. Subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok, visit our website, and leave your feedback below. Happy coding!